It's like a serial murderer is potentially loose in the population.
Brianne Kiner was one of the children infected with E. coli 0157 from an undercooked hamburger purchased at the Jack in the Box restaurant. She was in a coma for 6 weeks. The E. coli produces cytotoxins which kill other cells, breaking through the endothelial layer of the intestines, spilling poisons into the bloodstream. That complication is called hemolytic uremic syndrome. Although Brianne Kiner eventually came out of her coma, most of her major organs were damaged, and she'll need a kidney transplant when she's older. Michael Beverly also developed hemolytic uremic syndrome, which can cause brain damage, kidney damage, sepsis, and death. Doctors immediately placed Michael on kidney dialysis to cleanse his body of toxins.
Hemolytic uremic syndrome is life-threatening. Of all the kinds of diarrheas a child, an otherwise healthy child, can get in North America, almost none will cause a death or could cause a death, except for this one. That's why this one is so fearsome once it gets into a person.
The kidney specialist came in and he said it's very serious and he might not pull through the night. It's up to his low body. And then that's when I just broke down. I came out and I started crying immediately. I said, this is it.
As Michael Beverly lay near death in a Seattle hospital, medical investigators were still trying to figure out how he came into contact with this deadly pathogen. As 2.5-year-old Michael Beverly lay unconscious and near death in a Seattle hospital, 12 more children were admitted to local hospitals, all diagnosed with the same deadly pathogen, E. coli 0157. Since there is no cure for E. coli 0157, investigators needed to find the source of the outbreak before even more people were infected.
My biggest concern was that the cases we were seeing every other day were just the very beginning of a much larger outbreak.
Medical investigators suspected that food was the probable source, but the E. coli might have been in one food source or many. Dr. Mansoor Samadpour's job was to see if he could identify the exact strain of E. coli that infected the children. To find out, he turned to something usually used for criminal investigations, DNA testing.
When we say E. coli 0157, it's a very large clan, very large family or tribe in the E. coli species. When we do genetic fingerprinting, we can go to the individual